Tired of tiny screens? Today, we're unleashing Brawl Stars onto the big screen. This is your ultimate guide to playing Brawl Stars on your laptop, giving you better controls and a more immersive experience. First, you'll need an Android emulator. I highly recommend BlueStacks. It's free, reliable, and optimized for gaming. Head to BlueStacks.com and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your computer. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. After installation, launch BlueStacks. You'll be greeted with the Android home screen. Now, click on the Google Play Store icon and sign in with your Google account, just like you would on your phone. In the Play Store, search for Brawl Stars and click Install. Let the game download and install like normal. This will take time, depending on your internet speed. Once Brawl Stars is installed, click the icon to launch the game within BlueStacks. The first time you launch, it might take a bit longer to load. Now, for the important part, controls. BlueStacks allows you to customize your keyboard controls. Look for the keyboard icon on the side toolbar here. You can map keys to actions like movement, shooting, and using your super experiment to find what works best for you. And that's it. You're now playing Brawl Stars on your laptop. Enjoy the enhanced experience with bigger screen and precise keyboard controls. Like this video and subscribe for more Brawl Stars tips and tricks.